Welcome to All About Trending. Today, I am going to show you how to fix Nvidia control panel missing from your computer. As you can see, here Nvidia control panel is missing. To fix, first go to the Services app. Now here, look for Nvidia Display Container LS. Which is not currently running, therefore Nvidia control panel is missing. Now, select Nvidia Display Container, and click on Start. As it is started running, you can see, we got Nvidia control panel. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more videos.